Hello, today we'll go through some of the 2022 Electoral Act. My name is Hajara Hussaini. It's about 6 months to the 2023 general elections, and INEC chairman Professor Mahmood Yakubu has said electronic transmission of elections results from polling units would be a permanent feature in the nation's electoral process. But there seemed to be a misconception of the part of electoral process verging on the collation of results, which made some people conclude that INEC would manually handle election results in the forthcoming polls. Below is a step-by-step procedure on how INEC will manage the 2023 electoral results as provided by the Electoral Act 2022. Counting of votes and forms. The presiding officer (PO) shall, after counting the votes of the polling unit, enter the votes scored by each candidate in a form to be prescribed by the Commission as the case may be. The form shall be signed and stamped by the PO and countersigned by the candidates or their polling agents available at the polling unit. The PO shall give to the polling agent and the police officer, where available, a copy of each of the completed forms after it has been duly signed as provided under the subsection 2. The PO shall count and announce the results at the polling units and shall transfer results including the total number of accredited voters and the result of the ballot in a manner as prescribed by the Commission. Post-election procedure and collation of election results. After the recording and announcement of the results, the PO shall deliver the same along with elections materials under security and accompanied by the candidates or their polling agents where available. It is worthy of note that before the PO leaves the polling units with the results, a copy must be scanned through the use of beavers and transmitted to the INEC central server system. According to Section 52, subsection 1, a collation officer or returning officer at the election shall collate and announce the result of an election, subject to his or her verification and confirmation. It specifies that the number of accredited voters stated on the collated results must be correct and consistent with the number of accredited voters recorded and transmitted directly from the polling units. The Electoral Act explains that if during the collation of results there is a dispute regarding a collated result or the result of an election from any polling unit, the collation officer or returning officer shall use the following to determine the correctness of the disputed results: the original of the disputed collated result for each polling unit where the election is disputed, the smart card reader or other technology device used for accreditation of voters in each polling unit. From the foregoing, it is clear that manual collation of election results is a follow-up of electronic transmission. In other words, results collated manually are expected to be a reflection of what has been electronically transmitted right from the polling units. For more explainer videos, visit our website at www.dailytrust.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Daily Trust, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at daily_trust, on TikTok, The Daily Trust.